Hey everyone, welcome back to MZ Car Club. Today we're exploring a machine that blends old-school American muscle with modern performance and technology. The 2026 Ford Shelby GT vintage pickup truck. This is not just a truck, it's a bold tribute to classic Ford pickups, reimagined with Shelby's racing DNA and a powerful modern attitude. Asterisk, let's start with the exterior, because this truck makes a statement the moment it rolls into view. The 2026 Shelby GT vintage pickup keeps the classic boxy pickup proportions that fans love, but everything is upgraded and aggressive. You'll notice the retro-inspired front grille with bold Shelby branding, round LED headlights styled to look vintage, and a sculpted hood with functional vents that hint at the power underneath. The body sits wider and lower than a traditional pickup, giving it a muscular stance, while flared fenders, side stripes, and Shelby badging add serious character. At the rear, you get a clean, classic tailgate design combined with modern LED taillights and a performance exhaust that delivers a deep, unmistakable Shelby roar. Large alloy wheels wrapped in performance tires complete the look, making it clear this truck is built for both style and speed. Asterisk, step inside, and the interior perfectly balances vintage charm with modern luxury. The cabin features premium leather seats with classic stitching patterns and Shelby logos embossed into the headrests. The dashboard design takes inspiration from old-school Ford trucks, but it's packed with modern technology. A large touchscreen infotainment system sits at the center, offering navigation, smartphone connectivity, and performance monitoring. The digital instrument cluster is customizable, allowing drivers to switch between classic-style gauges and modern performance displays. Carbon fiber and brushed metal accents give the interior a sporty edge, while ambient lighting adds a refined touch. Despite its performance focus, the cabin is spacious and comfortable, making it suitable for daily driving as well as long road trips. Asterisk, under the hood is where the Shelby magic truly comes alive. The 2026 Ford Shelby GT vintage pickup truck is expected to be powered by a supercharged V8 engine, delivering massive horsepower and torque. This truck isn't just about hauling loads, it's about pure driving excitement. Paired with a performance-tuned transmission and a reinforced drivetrain, the power delivery is aggressive yet controlled. Shelby-tuned suspension upgraded. Brakes and performance exhaust ensure sharp handling, confident stopping power, and a sound that turns heads wherever you go. Whether you're accelerating on the highway or cruising through city streets, this pickup delivers muscle car performance. In a truck body, asterisk, when it comes to safety, Ford and Shelby have made sure modern standards are fully met. The 2026 Shelby GT vintage pickup comes equipped with advanced driver assistance features such as adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, automatic emergency braking, and rear cross-traffic alert. The strong frame, construction, advanced airbag system, and stability control provide extra confidence, ensuring that all that power is matched with serious safety. Asterisk, now let's talk about pricing. As a limited production Shelby model, the 2026 Ford Shelby GT vintage pickup truck sits in the premium performance truck category. Pricing is expected to be significantly higher than standard Ford pickups due to the Shelby performance upgrades, exclusive design elements, and customization options. Buyers can personalize everything from exterior paint and stripes to interior materials, making each truck feel truly special. Asterisk, overall, the 2026 Ford Shelby GT vintage pickup truck is a perfect blend of past and present. It captures the soul of classic American pickups while delivering modern performance, luxury, and technology. For enthusiasts who love vintage styling but demand today's power and comfort, this Shelby truck offers something truly unique. It's bold, powerful, and full of character, exactly what you'd expect from the Shelby name. Asterisk, that wraps up today's overview here on MZ Car Club. If you enjoyed this deep dive, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more legendary cars and trucks. We'll see you in the next video.